Welcome to ToNiagara Tours, your gateway to experiencing the majesty of Niagara Falls like never before. Don't forget to check the link in the description for more information and bookings. With ToNiagara Tours, you can embark on an unforgettable adventure to one of the world's most iconic natural wonders. From thrilling boat tours that take you up close to the thundering falls to exhilarating helicopter rides offering panoramic views of the breathtaking landscapes, we have something for everyone. Whether you're traveling solo, with family, or in a group, ToNiagara Tours offers a variety of options to suit your needs. Choose from private tours departing from Toronto, Brampton, Mississauga, Oakville, Hamilton, Milton, Burlington, or even directly from Niagara Falls and Niagara-on-the-Lake. Our expert guides will ensure you have a seamless and memorable experience from start to finish. Click the link in the description to explore our tour options and make your booking today. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you embark on our Whirlpool Jet tours, offering both dry and wet experiences. Book your adventure with ToNiagara Tours today and get ready to create memories that will last a lifetime. Don't miss out. Click the link below in the description now. Until next time, happy travels.